Hello, it's been now 14 weeks since we started this test. Will this plastic case hold the fuel inside the Chippo? Just in case I got this another lighter if all fuel has evaporated inside this Chippo. It's about 100 days mark now. So let's open the case and see does the lighter light up. We get that gasoline smell at least. So 14 weeks, about 100 days. It might be just now when the fuel had started to run out. Yeah. Just when we reach the 100 days, all the fuel has evaporated. Well, then this test is over. We managed to get 100 days of using this lighter. So, final words about this case. It's really almost airtight and it holds the fuel inside the lighter really long time. I got this another lighter with me just in case. But we managed to reach 100 days with this Chippo and the case set up.